Apple fritters with ginger beer batter. Combine flour, ginger and bicarbonate of soda in a large bowl and whisk to combine. Add ginger beer and whisk until a smooth batter forms. In a large clean bowl, combine the sugar and cinnamon. Heat the oil in a large deep frying pan over medium-high heat. Dip apple slices into the beer batter to lightly coat. Be careful when adding them to the hot oil. Slide them in gently so not to cause a splash and cook in a single layer. Cook, turning, for 2 to 3 minutes or until light golden in colour and crisp. Use a slotted spoon or spatula to transfer to a plate lined with paper towel. Add to the sugar mixture and toss to lightly coat. Place on a serving plate. Serve with vanilla ice cream and bought salted caramel sauce.